Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mufaiz Pratama. I'm student of Civil Engineering Program, Sultan Agung Islamic University, Semarang, Indonesia. Did you know that Yokohama Landmark Tower is the third tallest building in Japan? Now, my purpose today is explain and tell you about Yokohama Landmark Tower. To start with the structure, I will explain about Yokohama Landmark Tower. Then I will explain who designed this building. Finally, I will explain about earthquake proof of this building. I will try to answer any of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by what Yokohama Landmark Tower is. The Landmark Tower is the main symbol of the Minatomirai district. This 296-meter tall skyscraper is the second tallest building in Japan, with 70 floors. Landmark Tower is a multi-facility consisting of hotels, shopping malls, and office. You can also go up to the 69 floor of the Landmark Tower and enjoy the famous night view of Yokohama from the observation deck Sky Garden. Experience also the fastest elevator in Japan that will take you an altitude of 296 meters in less than 40 seconds. You need to worry about getting lost. There are pamphlets in English available near the entrance and in some corner containing explanation of the Landmark Tower. That's all I have to say about it. Next. The second one is that tower became birthplace of new Japan culture. Minatomirai is a modern city development project in Nakaku, Yokohama, Kanagawa Prefecture, Japan. Of the total area of 1.86 kilometer, 186 hectare, and area of 0.76 kilometer is reclaimed land. In Minatomirai, there are office buildings, apartment, Red Center Hotel, a amusement parks, convention halls, art museum, and concert halls. This area was previously used by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries as a shipyard until it was moved in 193. Minatomirai is a popular tourist destination in Yokohama, and its location thus to Yokohama Shinato. That's it. Now we move to the next one. Okay, now we are going to talk about who designed it. The building was designed by the Architecture and Engineering Division of Mitsubishi Estate. Now Mitsubishi Jiso Sekkei and Hart Stubbins and Associates, later King Stubbins. That it's next. Next, as for earthquake-resistant techniques, the Yokohama Landmark Tower has a flexible structure to absorb the force of earthquake. The structure is theoretically the same as that of Japanese temples, 5-storied pagodas, which have never collapsed enduring series of earthquakes. It is interesting that construction method of ultramodern skyscraper is similar to the technique fostered in Japan's long history of wooden high-rise architecture, including the Taibutsuden of Todaiji Temple, which exceeds 40 meters, 131 feet in height, and the pagoda of Horyuji Temple, both of which were built in Nara in the 8th century. That's all I have to say about earthquake resistant technique. Now we will move to the next one. Next, now we are going to talk about wooden high-rise architecture. Wooden architecture involves construction, building, and structure, primarily using wood as the main building material. It has been a traditional method of construction of centuries, showcasing the versatility and sustainability of wood. Wooden architecture encompasses various styles, from the traditional timber frame buildings to modern design that highlight the aesthetic and environmental benefits of using woods. That's all I have to say about wooden architecture. Now we'll move to the next one. Next, as for benefits of wooden architecture, have some benefits that is renewable, strong, and efficient. Renewable wood is a renewable material and use less energy and resources to process compared to many other building materials. Strong, it's no accident that wood has been used in construction for thousands of years. It is an incredibly durable material and can provide a strong structure of building. Wood can actually be better at supporting its own weight than other materials such as steel. Efficient. It is an excellent insulator and can be built faster than many other materials. Okay, we have reached the last content of our presentation. So, who would like to ask some question, please raise your right hand. This is a reference. Next, thank you for your attention.